In this tutorial, we're going to cover basic utility of the input function. So what the input function does is it allows the users to input values. Now, for example, we could do input, and we could just run that. Now we could type whatever we would like in here. So say I would like to type hello. It'll return us the string hello. Now, where this could be useful is in, say, print methods, where we could do print, quote, hello, put a space, and we're going to do plus input, quote, what is your name? We could run this, and now you can see it's asking us what our name is. I'm going to put JR, and you can see it's now saying hello space JR. Now we could also use input within a function by doing something like this. And after defining our function, we can call it down here. Now what this is doing is it's taking any float input and it's going to square it. So for example, we could do 3 and this will return us 9. We could run this again and say put in 4, and you can see we're getting 16. Now this is some practical application of the input function, and I hope that helps.